My name is G.V. Rao, working as an assistant professor in Nalanda Narasimha Engineering College. Today I am going to discuss about the Green's theorem in plane. Just now I explained what is Green's theorem. This is the Green's theorem statement. Let R be the region in xy plane bounded by a simple closed curve capital C and m comma n are continuously differentiable functions of x and y. Then integral over C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral over R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy, where C is the closed curve traversing in positive anti-clockwise direction. This is the closed curve in xy plane. Here the lines x is equal to a and x equal to b are parallel to y axis, and the lines y equal to c and y equal to d are parallel to x axis. Now I am going to discuss about one problem in Green's theorem. By using the Green's theorem, we are converting line integral into surface integral and surface integral into line integral, vice versa. This is the one of the most important application in vector integration, in the vector integral theorems. In the vector integral theorems, now we are going to discuss about the vector integral theorem, Green's theorem. The transformation from line integral to surface integral. Evaluate Green's theorem, integral over c y minus sin x into dx plus cos x into dy, where c is the triangle enclosed by the line y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2, pi y is equal to 2x. The solution is by Green's theorem. By Green's theorem in plane, by Green's theorem in plane, just I am writing the statement. By Green's theorem in plane, integral over c m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral over r dou m by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. Here the problems are two models in this. First model is verification. If both we have to find the LHS and RHS, both are must be equal. Here this is the second model. Just evaluate the Green's theorem, integral over c y minus sin x into dx plus cos x into dy. Here we are going to find only RHS. This double integral over r dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. Given integral over c y minus sin x into dx plus cos x into dy. Here compare this. This is nothing but integral over c m dx plus n dy, where m is equal to y minus sin x and n is equal to cos x. Find dou m by dou y value. Differentiate m partially with respect to y. Y derivative is 1. Sin x derivative is constant. It is 0. Next, dou h by dou x. Differentiate n partially with respect to x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. Now, where c is the triangle bounded by the lines y is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2 and pi y is equal to 2x. This is nothing but y is equal to 2x by pi. Define the region in xy plane. This is the xy plane, where c is the curve bounded by the lines. Here what is c? Where c is the triangle. This is the triangle. This is the origin O 0, 0. This is the point pi by 2, 0. Here x is equal to pi by 2. This is x is equal to pi by 2 parallel to y axis. This is the point B. This is the point A. This is Next y is equal to 2x by pi. This is nothing but b. This is y is equal to 2x by pi. Y is equal to mx passing through the origin. Now we can define the limits. Y value 2x by pi. Y is equal to 2x by, this is x value and y value. X is equal to pi by 2. This is y is equal to x by pi. Therefore, x varies from x is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Y varies from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 2x by pi. This is the region we defined now. Where C is the triangle bounded by the lines y is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2 and pi by equal to 2x. Draw the triangle in xy plane. This is the origin 0, 0. This is the point A, pi by 2, 0. This is the line x is equal to pi by 2 and y is equal to 2x by pi. This is the point pi by 2, 2x by pi. This is the line y is equal to mx passing through the origin. Y is equal to m value is 2 pi into x. Now we define the region. Next we are going to find out the RHS value. Double integral over r dou m by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. This is integral over c y minus sin x into dx plus cos x into dy is equal to double integral over r dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. That is equal to integral over 0 to pi by 2, integral over 0 to 2x by pi. What is dou n by dou x value? Dou n by dou x value is minus sin x minus dou n by dou y is 1, that is minus 1 into dx dy. Taking minus common, x is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus sin x into y is equal to 0 to 2x by pi into dx dy. Here x limits are constant, y limits are in terms of x. First we integrate with respect to y and substitute the limits, then integrate with respect to x minus x is equal to 0 to pi by 2 integral of 1 into dy, that is y, plus next y into sin x. Limits from 0 to 2x by pi into dx, that is equal to minus x is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 2x by pi plus in place of y we are substituting the limits. Y is equal to x by pi, 2x by pi plus 2x by pi into sin x into dx. Lower limit total 0. In place of y we have to substitute 0. 0 minus 0 total 0. In this 2 by pi is common, minus 2 by pi integral x is equal to 0 to pi by 2 x plus x into sin x dx. Complete the integration. Minus 2 by pi x integration is x square by 2, limits from 0 to pi by 2 plus integration by parts method, this one x into integral of sin x is minus cos x minus x derivative 1 du by dx, this is u v, x into integral of sin x is minus cos x minus du by dx is x derivative 1, sin x derivative is minus cos x into dx, limits from 0 to pi by 2, that is equal to minus 2 by pi into pi square by 4. Substitute the x value, x is equal to pi by 2, pi square by 4 by 2, that is pi square by 8 plus this one minus x cos x plus minus into minus plus integration of x is sin x, limits from 0 to pi by 2. Now we can substitute the limits. Integral 0 to pi by 2 is minus 2 by pi square by 8 plus cos pi by 2 value 0, this total value 0 plus sin pi by 2 value 1 minus lower limit cos x value 0, this value 0, this value also 0. Next, so we can simplify that. Minus 2 by pi into pi square by 8 plus this total value is 1 only plus 1 multiply with this minus 2 by pi into pi square by 8 plus minus 2 by pi get cancelled minus pi by 4 minus 2 by pi, or it can also be written as minus pi by minus of pi by 4 plus 2 by pi. This is the evaluation of the Green's theorem. To evaluate the Green's theorem, here we are going to find only RHS value, that is the surface integral we are finding in the plane. Just integral over c m dx plus n dy. This is of the form integral over c m dx plus n dy. We should write the m value and n value. Differentiate m partially with respect to y and differentiate n partially with respect to x. Already given, where c is the closed curve bounded by the triangle. The lines are x, y is equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2 and pi y is equal to 2x. Draw the diagram. The closed curve is a triangle. The triangle is bounded by the points, bounded by the lines y is equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2 and pi y equal to x. This is the point 0 comma 0. This is the point pi by 2 comma 0 on x axis. This is the point in xy plane pi by 2 comma 2x by pi. Here this is the line y is equal to mx. This is the slope y is equal to mx. This is the line x equal to pi by 2 parallel to y axis. Then we can define the region where therefore x varies from 0 to pi by 2. This is x is equal to x varies from 0 to pi by 2 and y varies from 0 to 2x by pi. We will take the LHS value integral over c y minus sin x into dx plus cos x into dy. W integral over r. This is the value we are going to simplify. W integral over r dou n by dou x minus dou n by dou y into dx dy. X varies from 0 to pi by 2, y varies from 0 to 2x by pi. Dou n by dou x value is minus sin x, dou n by dou value is 1, that is minus 1 into dx dy. Take minus common. Here y limits are in terms of y. We are going to simplify first, integrate with respect to y and substitute the limits, then integrate with respect to x. This is the Green's theorem evaluation.